All right, today me and I'm Rigby Cat are going to be pranking people in Walfart. Let's go.
Yo, I think I'm gonna pants that dude over there. Watch this. Got his goofies out. Whoa, man, chill. It was just a prank. It's just a prank.
Whoa, what the scallops? What did you do to... Oh, ouch. What the... Where are we?
Dude, I can't find a bathroom anywhere in here.
Oh, hey, I think I found one over there.
I'm about to go obliterate that thing.
Oh, I don't know, man. This is kind of sketchy.
How? It's just a toilet.
Well, for starters, there's a security cam pointing right at it.
Okay, fine. I won't use it.
Good, now let's see what's over here. Whoa!
Whoops.
No! Rigby, come back! Whoa. What was that? Holy scallops! What is that? Get the splish away from me, you freakazoid! What is this place? God, I'm so cooked.